everyone, Irene's here again. For today's video is about video editing. This topic is not only for the YouTubers but to the teachers as well. It is important for them in making video lessons. The editor that we are going to use today is the user-friendly editor. This is really good for the beginners. There are only few features that you are going to remember in order to make a successful video editing. Actually, there are lots of user-friendly video editor. But now, I'm going to show you how I edit my video using the Wordshare Filmora 9. This video serves as my video output in our INSET Day 2 with Sir Neil Arvin. So, if you find this topic interesting and helpful to you, please like and continue watching. So, without further ado, let's proceed directly to the post-production of our video. First, you are going to download the Wordshare Filmora on your browser. After downloading it, you installed it to your PC or to your laptop. By the way, the Filmora that you are going to use today is only the free trial. So it's understood that there is a watermark. Kung gusto mong walang watermark, it's understood na may bayad na yon, unless you know how to get it free. Okay, let's proceed. Let us now open our newly installed Filmora 9. Okay, so here it is. This is now the appearance of your Filmora 9. We have here File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, Help. Then below, we have the media. These are the tools that we are going to use. The media, the audio. You have here, there are different sounds in the audios. Then titles, you can create titles out of these designs. Okay, there are more designs. Okay, then transition, effects, different effects, elements, then the split screen. Then you have here the export. Okay, below, this is your working space. This is now your working space. We have here on the left side, we have the video track with that icon, and this one is the audio track. So the audio and the video tracks could be added depending upon how many audio or video tracks you are going to use. So for example, for your audio, the background music is different from the sound effects. So there is one track for the background music and also another track for the sound effects. Same also in your video track, there is also a track for your video and a track also for your green screen or whatever. For there are also some overlays, so you can use 2 to 3 tracks or more. Then in this side here, this is where you look at the progress of your project. It seems that it's a monitor. Okay, let's start now. Let's click to the media. Then here below, when you click the media, we have here import and record. Okay, so where are we going to look for our media, or what are we going to do? So we'll click import, and there are choices here: import media files, import a media from the folder, import from camera or a phone, import in an instant cutter tool, then download media from the Facebook, download photos from the Instagram, download photos from the Flickr. We will choose import media because we have just downloaded the file that is being given to us a while ago. So click, then newly downloaded. So it is understood that it is placed in the downloads. So we have here downloads. Okay, you have here INSET 2021. So these are the files that we are going to edit. Double click that one. Then let us copy all of that. Let us copy. Then open. Okay, there it goes. Andyan na, makikita na natin ang mga dapat nating i-edit. So, madali lang. Kasi kakaunti lang ang mga clips. Then there is also label scene 1, 2, and 3. So of course, we will start with the scene 1. So what you are going to do is to drag them down. Okay, and let us going to cut all the unnecessary voices, but let us listen it first.
Okay, scene 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Okay, so we will cut that area because that is no longer included. Okay, just click that one or this one. Okay, pili dito. Then, you are going to throw it away. Unnecessary clip. Hindi na siya kinakailangan. So, itatapon natin yan or we will delete.
Hello learners and teachers! Sir Jeff po, at your service. Ako ang inyong teacher broadcaster para sa TLE 6.
Okay. So, we will...
6.
Okay. Then, cut that one. We will remove this because this is not included anymore. Then, we are going to paste scene 2. Pakinggan natin.
Scene 2, in 5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Okay, hindi na yun kasali. So, we will cut. Click the part that you are going to delete. Then, click the part there. Let us try to listen.
TLE 6. Tumutot araw-araw sa IB.
Masyadong matagal. Click that one. Drag them closer. Para then ibalik.
6. Tumutot araw-araw sa IBC 13, Signal, Solar Learning, PTV4, ABS-CBN TV Plus at GMA For the Box upang matulungan kayong mga magulang patungo sa inyong mga tahanan.
Okay, hindi nakasali yung nasa huli.
Mga tahanan.
Okay, let us cut it again. Then, click this area, delete. Okay, we will add the scene 3.
Scene 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Okay, so let us delete that area. Click delete. Click the scissor. Then click that area, that clip. Then delete.
Mula alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi, Lunes hanggang Sabado. Maglibang at matuto dito lang sa nag-iisang DEPED TV.
Okay, hindi na yun kasali.
TV.
Okay. Let's cut it. Pakinggan natin kung smooth ba ang transition.
Patungo sa inyong mga tahanan. Mula alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi, Lunes hanggang Sabado. Maglibang at tahanan. Mula alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi.
Okay. Then, after that, let us transfer that one over there on top. Okay, then we will add the green screen. Okay, andyan. Mahaba ito, so we will click, drag it hanggang sa dulo. Okay, yan. Now, let us try to transform. Okay. Click this green screen. Then, let's adjust the chroma key. Masyadong madilim ang area na ito. So, let's go na add brightness. Okay, so around 60. Okay, so andyan na. Let us try our green screen.
Hello learners and teachers! Sir Jeff po, at your service. Ako ang inyong teacher broadcaster para sa TLE 6.
Okay, so Kung ano ang ginawa mo sa una, click the picture, click the green screen, adjust the chroma key. So we have the 60, the same lang sa kanina. 60 at saka the tolerance is only 45 at hindi ko na ginagala yung edge at saka edge feeder. Then click OK. Then patuloy na natin i-play yan.
Tumutok araw-araw sa IBC 13,
Okay. So,
Signal,
that is already
Solar
the
Learning,
second
PTV4,
clip. Meron na rin.
ABS-CBN TV Plus,
Meron na
at
rin siyang
GMA
green
for the
screen.
Box. Upang matulungan
Okay. Let's
kayong
proceed to the third clip. This is now the third clip. So, you click that one. Click this green screen. Then, adjust the chroma key. Okay, andyan na ang chroma key niya. 60, 45, same lang sila lahat para hindi na tayo mahihirapan. Then, let's try to see kung napalitan na ba yung green, yung screen mo.
sa inyong mga tahanan. Mula alas 7 ng umaga
Okay, andyan na
hanggang
rin.
alas 7 ng gabi,
Meron
Lunes
na.
hanggang Sabado.
Okay, so that means
Maglibang at
you are
matuto
successful
dito lang
in
sa
what you are
nag-iisang
doing.
DEPED TV.
Okay. So, it's time for us now.
Hello learners and
Pwede
teachers.
din tayong maglagay na tayo ng logo. DEPED logo. So, ito, we'll just drag them down. At mailiit lang man yung DEPED logo, double-click mo muna yan at lalabas itong mga outline. We have this arrow. You move it. Paliitin mo yung logo. Paliitin mo ang logo. Then with this cursor, you can freely move the logo. And that's it. Siguro masyadong malaki pa yan pag makita yan sa TV. Okay, siguro ganyan. Then, adjust sa left at saka sa right kung magkatulad ba ang laki nito. Then click OK. Then, let's try.
Hello learners and teachers. Sir Jeff po, at your service. Ako ang inyong teacher broadcaster para sa TLE6.
Okay, yun lang ang nalalagyan ng logo. Yung sa susunod ay wala ng logo. So, click that logo. Ganyan ang cursor mo. Drag it until the end para lahat ay malalagyan ng logo. Okay, so let's try to see.
At your service. Ako ang inyong teacher broadcaster para sa TLE6. Tumutok araw-araw sa
Ayan,
IBC
dyan na.
13.
Meron ng logo. Dito din tayo sa part ng scene 3.
Patungo sa inyong mga tahanan. Mula alas 7 ng umaga
Okay,
hanggang
meron
alas
pa
7
rin
ng gabi.
logo. Okay, so let's proceed to adding background music para maganda. Just drag the music down. Let's try to listen.
Hello learners and teachers. Sir Jeff po, at your
Okay,
service.
maganda
Ako
ng
ang inyong
pakinggan.
teacher broadcaster para sa TLE6. Tumutok araw
Kung sa palagay ninyo masyadong malakas lang ang background music sa kanyang sinasabi, maaari mo itong i-reduce ang sound, the volume of the sound by just doing that way. Ganyan lang, para madali. Pero, yung may ganyang tsura, okay.
Hello learners and teachers. Sir Jeff po, at your service. Ako ang inyong teacher broadcaster para sa TLE6. Tumutok araw-araw sa IBC
Okay, andyan lang kasimple. So, dito tayo.
Bang at matuto dito lang sa nag-iisang DEPED TV.
Okay, that ends. Pero dapat nating bigyan ng pahabaan natin kunti ng music. Guys, ano. Okay. Then delete the last part. So, we are already done. We are already done with our video editing. So, meron na tayong background music. We also have the green screen, the video, yung mga sinasabi ni Sir. At saka may logo na naman. Nalagyan na rin natin ng logo. So, it's time for us to export. Click export. Okay, yan na ang pag-i-export. You are going to give the title for your video. So, ang ilalagay natin is video tutorial. Editing tutorial. Filmora. Okay. So, automatic na siya. Nag-highlight ng ang MP4 dahil video ang lalabas, MP4. Then, click export.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are already done with the exporting of our video. So you can see here, find target, close. So let's click find target to find it out kung saan siya nasisave. Okay, andyan na, nagpa-flash na dito. So dito pala siya sa output. Okay, you can see there, andyan, video tutorial, video editing tutorial, Filmora MP4. So ito na po. Let us click and try to see kung tama ba ang ating ginawa.
Hello learners and teachers! Sir Jeff po, at your service. Ako ang inyong teacher broadcaster para sa TNE 6. Tumutok araw-araw sa IBC 13, Signal, Solar Learning, PTV4, ABS-CBN TV Plus at GMA for the Box upang matulungan kayong mga magulang maaari ang ating mga anak mula sa mga eskwelahan patungo sa inyong mga tahanan. Mula alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi, Lunes hanggang Sabado. Maglibang at matuto dito lang sa nag-iisang DEPED TV.
Okay. So maganda. Yun ang final output natin. Okay, so yan ang isi-save natin. So madali lang, di ba? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video interesting and helpful to everyone, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.